So this channel's been through quite the growth lately, and it's been great. So we're really, really excited. So we are going to pick a winner for the 900 subscriber giveaway right after this.
Never to the left. Oh, that cart was a jack of wheel.
Oh my god, oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible.
So we reached 900 subscribers, and we're over and pushing to 1,000. So it's just amazing, and I'm super excited and super thankful to each and every one of you for continuing to support the channel. We're going to be doing some regular live streams coming up every Thursday. So almost every Thursday we're going to do a live stream. So I don't want to say every Thursday because life happens. Sometimes we can't do it. But I'm going to try to stick to a schedule of every Thursday we're going to do Pittsburgh Picker Live. And it's going to be me and probably Sarah most of the time. Guests, if you guys are YouTubers or starting to get into YouTube or anything like that, or if you're just resellers and you want to do jump on live with us, reach out to me, either any of the contact information that you see below, and let me know. I'm more than willing to do that, something like that. That would actually be a lot of fun to interview some of you guys or talk to some of you guys live. So please, if that's something that's interesting to you, comment down below, reach out to me via Instagram, Facebook, or email. That would be a lot of fun. Now, having said that, and having thanked each and every one of you, let's get to the drawing. All right, we're going to pick a winner. So we have the URL in there. We filtered the duplicate users. Filter comments based on specific text. We put the year of the founding of our country for 4th of July, 1776. We are going to get comments. 41. It's probably our biggest giveaway yet. And we're going to pick a winner. Good luck, everyone. Tess, you are today's big winner. Congratulations. All right, congratulations, Tess. You are the big winner of our 900 subscriber giveaway. Reach out to us either via Facebook, Instagram, or email and let us know what size shirt you want. Unfortunately, I only have 2 sizes, either XXX or XX. Again, we're still in beta mode with all these shirts that we have because we're shopping around. We're hoping, for those of you that don't know, to open up a store for Pittsburgh Picker merchandise in the coming months. But we've got a little bit of homework to do before we can make that live. So yeah, 2 sizes of the shirt, either XL or XXL, and we'll throw in some Pittsburgh Picker stickers and some mystery items just for you. So congratulations, Tess. And again, thank you to everyone that has been commenting, subscribing. It's truly humbling, and thank you so very much. And that's about it for this video. I promised I'd get it out today, and I did. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Good day, sir!